Assalamu alaikum. Dear friends, I am Muhammad Aslam, and I welcome you to today's video that will touch your heart and leave you thinking deeply. Today we are going to discuss something that reflects the consequences of our actions on nature. These are the stories of some of the most unique and beautiful animals that once roamed this earth, but due to human greed and carelessness, they have vanished forever. Have you ever wondered what it means to lose an entire species? It's not just the disappearance of an animal, it's the loss of biodiversity, ecological balance, and a piece of our history. In this video, we will explore the last glimpses of these extinct creatures, whose stories are both heartbreaking and eye-opening. Make sure to watch this video till the end, because every story has a lesson for humanity. Let's begin our journey by looking at the incredible story of the first animal on our list, the Tasmanian tiger. First animal, Tasmanian tiger. The Tasmanian tiger, also known as the thylacine, was a fascinating and unique creature that once roamed the dense forests of Tasmania, Australia. Its striped back and wolf-like appearance gave it a distinct and unforgettable look. Despite its name, it was neither a tiger nor a wolf, but a marsupial, more closely related to kangaroos. In the early 19th century, the settlers in Tasmania viewed the Tasmanian tiger as a threat to their livestock. This led to widespread hunting campaigns. The government even offered bounties to encourage the killing of these animals. From 1888 to 1909, hundreds of thylacines were slaughtered, pushing the species to the brink of extinction. The last known Tasmanian tiger, a female, lived in captivity at the Hobart Zoo. On a cold night in September 1936, this extraordinary animal took its last breath, marking the end of its species. Today, all that remains are grainy black and white photographs and haunting memories of what once was. Friends, the story of the Tasmanian tiger is a grim reminder of how thoughtless actions can lead to irreversible loss. Let's move on to our next story, which is equally tragic. Second animal, eastern cougar. The eastern cougar, also called the mountain lion or puma, was a majestic predator native to the forests of eastern America. With its reddish-brown fur and agile body, it was a top predator, playing a vital role in maintaining the balance of the ecosystem by controlling the population of deer and other herbivores. However, during the 19th century, as European settlers expanded their colonies, vast forests were cleared for agriculture and settlements. This destruction of natural habitats forced the eastern cougar to venture into human territories, where it was seen as a threat. Farmers and hunters began killing these animals indiscriminately. By 1938, the eastern cougar had vanished from the wild, and decades later, in 2018, it was officially declared extinct by the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service. Today, we can only imagine the grandeur of this predator through its preserved images and the stories told by the older generations. This was the story of the eastern cougar, a victim of habitat destruction and fear. Let's now look at an African giant that met a similar fate. Third animal, western black rhinoceros. The western black rhinoceros was a magnificent and powerful animal that roamed the plains of Africa. Known for its robust body and two distinct horns, it was a symbol of strength and resilience. Sadly, its horns also became its curse. In traditional Chinese and Vietnamese medicine, rhino horns were falsely believed to have miraculous healing properties. This belief fueled relentless poaching, making the western black rhinoceros one of the most targeted species in the illegal wildlife trade. Despite conservation efforts in the mid-20th century, their population continued to dwindle due to poaching and habitat loss. In 2011, the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, declared the western black rhinoceros officially extinct. Today, the haunting photographs of these animals remind us of their beauty and the greed that led to their downfall. Friends, isn't it heartbreaking to see how human greed wiped out such a majestic creature? Our next story is about a bird that met a similar fate. Fourth animal, Norfolk Island parrot. The Norfolk Island parrot, also known as the Norfolk Island kaka, was a vibrant and colorful bird native to the lush forests of Norfolk Island. Its greenish-brown feathers and powerful beak made it a unique sight in the wild. However, the arrival of European settlers in the 19th century marked the beginning of the parrot's decline. The settlers brought with them invasive species such as rats and cats, which preyed on the eggs and chicks of these parrots. Deforestation further destroyed their nesting grounds, leaving them vulnerable. By 1850, the last two known Norfolk Island parrots were captured, and shortly after, the species was declared extinct. This story highlights how even the smallest changes in an ecosystem can have devastating effects. Let's now turn to the story of a tiger species that met a tragic end. Fifth animal, Java tiger. The Java tiger, native to the island of Java in Indonesia, was a smaller subspecies of tiger known for its dark orange coat with bold black stripes. It was a skilled hunter, preying on wild boars, deer, and other animals. The shrinking forests of Java, due to agricultural expansion and human settlement, left the tiger with nowhere to hide and hunt. Additionally, unregulated hunting for sport further pushed the species to extinction. By the 1970s, the Java tiger was officially declared extinct. The Java tiger's story is a reflection of how human activities can disrupt delicate ecosystems. Finally, let's discuss a mysterious sea creature that defied extinction. Sixth story, coelacanth fish. The coelacanth fish was believed to have gone extinct over 65 million years ago. It was a prehistoric creature that swam in the oceans during the time of the dinosaurs. Scientists considered it a living fossil due to its ancient lineage. However, in 1938, a South African fisherman caught an unusual fish. Upon examination, it was identified as a coelacanth, shocking the scientific community. This incredible discovery showed that even in the modern era, nature still holds secrets waiting to be uncovered. Friends, the coelacanth reminds us that nature is full of surprises, but it also serves as a warning to protect what remains. Let's conclude with an important message. Dear friends, today we have seen the stories of some of the most fascinating creatures that are no longer with us. Each story is a lesson, a reminder of the devastating impact of human actions on nature. If we don't change our ways now, many more species will face the same fate. It is our responsibility to protect the environment and the incredible creatures that share this planet with us. Spread this message by liking and sharing this video. Let us create awareness and work towards a better future. Thank you for watching. Take care of yourself and the world around you. Allah Hafiz.